Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it is a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. This is a 1.6 diesel. It's an automatic and it is a top spec one. It is an exclusive Air model. So this has got all the goodies on it. Sat nav, touchscreen media centre, alloys, privacy glass. Very nice. Very nice car. Drives well. Just had all the alloys refurbed, and this one actually has just had a new clutch. So everything all done, ready to go. Will come with a service, will come with a new MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty as well. Very spacious, very modern. I say they do drive particularly well, I must say. Very nice and clean inside. So we've got like a split dash on this with all your controls for your heater and your sat nav and bits and bobs below, and then your bigger screen at the top to tell you what's going on. So we're going to have cruise control, we're going to have front and back electric windows, we're going to have Bluetooth, we're going to have Bluetooth streaming, USB connectivity, and you've got all the goodies on this one. So there will be more pictures of it on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give me a call, 07868 722 133. We do have plenty of these, so if this one's not quite for you, or if you wanted a manual, we've got a couple of manuals currently on sale as well, so do look at the website to get the full range. So if we can help, give us a call, 07868 722 133.